Astronomers have discovered a huge structure. It may be a remnant of the Big Bang. Astronomers from the University of Hawaii have discovered a huge cosmic structure as much as 1 billion light-years in diameter. It is located about 820 million light-years away and may be a remnant of the Big Bang. Astronomers recently discovered a huge and extremely old cluster of galaxies. This bubble is 1 billion light-years in diameter and is relatively close to us in terms of cosmic distances, about 820 million light-years from the Solar System. Scientists believe it may be a relic of the early universe. The description and results of the research were published in the Astrophysical Journal. What is extremely interesting is the fact that cosmologist and future Nobel Prize winner Jim Peebles contributed to this discovery. Well, already in 1970, he described a certain phenomenon, putting forward a theory according to which, when the primitive universe still existed, gravity and radiation contributed to the creation of sound waves called baryon acoustic oscillations, BAOs. At that stage of its existence, the universe was filled with hot, dense plasma. Gravitational forces and radiation pressure created bubbles, spherical acoustic waves, that moved through the plasma. About 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe has cooled enough that this process has stopped. The existing bubbles stopped and froze as areas with a higher density of forming material. However, the universe did not remain static, but began to expand. And with it, also bubbles. Astronomers first found BAO's trace in 2005 while analyzing data on nearby galaxies. The newly discovered bubble is the only baryonic acoustic oscillation known so far. Thanks to University of Hawaii astronomer Brent Tully. It was named Huleilana, after the Hawaiian song of creation, which translates to, "Scent murmurs of awakening." Tully made the discovery by accident. A huge bubble, due to its size, was flowing into the area that the scientist was analyzing. Astronomers believe that the galaxies in this bubble may be so old that they remember the times of the Big Bang. However, what certainly attracts attention is the size of the bubble. Its diameter is as much as 1 billion light-years. To realize how big this is, just mention that our Milky Way is 10,000 times smaller. However, despite this and the fact that this structure is relatively close, only 820 million light-years away, we are unable to see it with the naked eye. Daniel Pomerede, an astronomer from the French Atomic Energy Commission, describes this bubble as a spherical shell with a heart, while in the heart of this shell there is the Boots supercluster, which in turn is surrounded by the so-called emptiness in Wollaston. There are even more superclusters there, including the mighty Great Wall of Sloan. With the support of cosmologist and BAO specialist Cullen Howlett, who mathematically defined the structure of the bubble in relation to available data, it was possible to visualize a three-dimensional image of this space fossil. However, it will probably not end with the discovery of this one bubble, and there are more to come. The European Space Agency's Euclid telescope, launched into space in July this year, gives great hope for this. In addition, radio telescopes in Australia and South Africa built as part of the Square Kilometre Array also give hope.